And hello, folks. We've begun another week. It is Easter week here for us. We got a pretty good view, some clouds coming into the sky there. We'll call it partly cloudy in that direction. They were looking over toward the west out of Alexandria, Cenla Broadcasting Tower Cam on Texas Street, seeing some traffic moving back and forth. And then going farther to the west in Leesville, 81 degrees, a nice warm day in that direction. We, of course, have some cloudiness, so partly sunny for you folks in Vernon Parish as well. Coming up, this is what I've got for you. It seems like there's always a chance of rain around Easter, doesn't there? Same way with the 4th of July. I don't know what that is about, but we'll worry about the 4th of July forecast later. But we got the Easter forecast for you on Easter week. All right, let's check out your flood alerts. We continue with a flood warning for the Calcasieu around Glen Mora. Looks like things have settled down some over toward Little River. Flood watch is still up for portions of Avoyelles and St. Landry Parish because of the possibility that the Chaffalaya River around Simpsport could get up the flood stage toward the end of the month, and the Mississippi River remains in flood warning as well. Moderate flooding expected at Natchez, and as you go down to Baton Rouge, more of a major flood event down in that direction. All right, let's check out some other things. Going into your radar and satellite imagery, notice the energy coming down. You see a little twist associated with this coming down the upper plains. Some clouds moving in ahead of that from the southwest. And we saw southerly winds here for today. And this is all in response to this system. You say, well, that's so far to the north. Are you sure that that's affecting our weather down here? Yes, it is. And in fact, we've got a front coming in late tonight and early in the morning, and that front will make a little bit of a difference in temperature, but its impact won't last too long. Futurecast then going into Tuesday morning back to work, and some folks are in school this week. I know Rapides is in school for a short week there, but other school systems will probably be in session as well. So we got a little chance of rain. Don't be surprised if you see a little shower or a sprinkle on your morning commute. Most of you probably won't see it, but a few of you could, as per the HRRR model, and I'm buying into it. So Futurecast for Tuesday evening. This is on your way back home. The front will be to the south of us by then. The clouds will be moving out of the area in step for a clear night tomorrow night behind the front. So Wednesday morning, we're back to a mostly sunny sky there. And then for during the day on Wednesday, we'll see a mostly sunny sky. Maybe a few clouds across our western parishes, though. Otherwise, we go into your Futurecast. Here we are with the warm bubble of air in control of things. We can feel that out there for today. There'll be energy out to the west of us. You see this dip right in here. This is a trough, upper level trough, a cool bubble of air, kind of in an elongated shape, as you see there. This is for Thursday morning. And so as that moves to the east, moisture from the Gulf will respond, and we'll see the humidity come in after a Wednesday respite. We'll see some changes, and this will continue to move in our direction through Saturday. And so as it does, rain chances will slowly increase as we head into Easter weekend. And then once we get into Easter weekend, we'll see that kind of pivot into the Corn Belt. So notice that it doesn't make a beeline for us. And so I think that keeps the rain chances here scattered. There'll be a chance of some thunderstorms because it will get unstable with this moisture flow coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. It'll be warm at night and warm during the daytime. So that's a recipe for some thunderstorms, again, with that instability. But not a broad swath of like everybody gets wet. So for now, it looks hit and miss. And then going up to the north, we continue to see that energy up in that direction, but it kind of remains with daytime heating. Could be a little bit of lingering instability even into next week. So spelling it out with your 7-day forecast, that little front comes in for Tuesday, and we got 20% in the AM to keep that forecast covered just in case something happens in the morning. I don't think it'd be a storm, just a shower or a sprinkle. Otherwise, I'll go a partly cloudy symbol with the understanding that Tuesday morning it'll be mostly cloudy. By Tuesday evening, we'll see a clearing trend working through. And then we're mostly clear for Tuesday night, 48 for your low, so temperatures drop. You'll notice that drop in temperature at 79 for your high. Be a beautiful day Wednesday. And then going into Thursday, back to partly cloudy. Notice we're up to 59 for a morning low. So, yep, humidity increasing again, 83 for your high. A little warmer on Thursday afternoon, a little warmer Friday. Good Friday there. Mostly cloudy. We've clouded up, but so far I'm not going to put any chance of rain in. Morning low 66, so the moisture will be increasing. And then Saturday, Holy Saturday, 69 and 83. 20% chance of rain with pretty much an overcast day there as the humidity builds up as well. And then finally on Easter Sunday, of course, he is alive, he is risen, but we get some scattered showers and a few thunderstorms here in the area. Right now, I'm going to put it on the lower end of scattered, 40% there, 68 and 83, so it remains very warm for this time of year. And of course, there'll be definitely some humidity with that. And then Monday, I'll raise it to about the 50-50 on the showers and thunderstorms there. Temperatures remaining well above the normal. Let's go into the temperature outlook for the 22nd through the 28th. This is known as the 8 to 14 day outlook of the week 2. The 7-day forecast I just gave is week 1. This is the week after that. In more general terms, looks like a broad area, a large area there of above normal temperatures centered across the southeastern states. We're under that regime, a little bit below normal temperatures up across the northern Rockies. What about rainfall? Well, here we go with the rainfall outlook. We are in an area where above normal rainfall is anticipated with that trough coming in from the west, and then things kind of staying unstable here. I think the upper level flow will provide more troughs or more energy from the south, from the west and from the southwest. So that's going to keep an above normal area of rainfall here in our local area. Out to the west, maybe below normal out in that direction, maybe a little swath of above about near normal there from Arizona up across portions of the Nevada, Utah border, and then into Idaho and western Washington state. All right, that's a look at things. Nick will see you in the morning, and I'll see you during the PM tomorrow, and hope your Tuesday is tremendous.